Now on the coronavirus in Illinois, there was a meeting at the mines in Decatur.
Yeah, Congressman Rodney Davis heard from health experts and community leaders to understand what the federal government can do better in fighting this virus. Now, WCIA 3's Cole Hankey was at that meeting today. He joins us live from our Capitol newsroom tonight. So, Cole, what did they focus on?
Well, most of the meeting focused on learning how everybody was reacting to the virus and how their procedures worked. The crowd was made up of hospital executives and doctors and public health officials and university leaders. Each one detailed how they are working on their response plans and how they would like to see federal dollars spent. Davis, who was briefed by the White House leadership team on the virus yesterday, also spoke with Governor Pritzker this morning, and he said the two levels of government are on the same page.
Everybody's communicating. That's, we've seen in previous outbreaks, we've seen in disaster responses of the past, the worst thing that can happen is that all levels are not communicating with each other. And my entire goal today was to make sure I knew firsthand that our local professionals were getting the same information.
Most of the officials in the room said that their processes are moving smoothly so far. They were able to work out the kinks after previous outbreaks, like H1N1 and Ebola. Davis said he plans to take what he learned from the meeting back to Washington, and that includes concerns about possible supply shortages and space for treatment. He's taking those back to the federal government, to Congress, where he hopes to suggest them for the federal government's next steps. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3. Your local news leader.
All right, Cole, thanks. Now, the U.S. House and Senate passed emergency funding for the response to coronavirus. A total of $8.3 billion will be spread across the country. Almost half will be put toward making testing kits accessible. The rest will go toward funding response efforts and organizations impacted by the virus.